In this video, we will compare the starting ability of the Titan 4024 battery with the standard 683 series commercial vehicle batteries used in the Bison military vehicle. We will log and compare the voltage and current performance of both battery technologies. Here is the starting performance data of the two standard 683 commercial vehicle batteries starting the Bison vehicle. The data shows the two 683 commercial vehicle batteries' voltage dropped to 14.55 volts, and the maximum current drawn from the batteries is 808.8 amps. The Bison took 1.6 seconds to start. The Bison 6x6 weapons platform was developed for the South African National Defence Force as a concept demonstrator and was never mass-produced. Now, we will start the Bison vehicle with the Titan 4024 battery developed by Mega Titan Power. This battery is a 40 amp-hour battery with the ability to deliver very high instantaneous power. They were designed for special cranking applications. The Titan 40 series battery can deliver more than 1600 amps for instantaneous current, making it ideal for starting applications. Here is the starting performance data of the Titan 4024 vehicle battery starting the Bison vehicle. The data shows the Titan 4024 battery voltage only dropped to 19.9 volts, and the maximum current drawn from the batteries is 1033 amps. The Bison took 770 milliseconds to start. This demonstration shows the ability of the Titan 4024 battery to start any large diesel engine. The Titan 40 series batteries have been tested to operate to a temperature of plus 75 degrees Celsius and can be charged at up to 400 amperes constant current. Contact Mega Titan Power today for a demonstration or more information on the batteries we develop.